tutorial how to find the gun at Jujutsu Kaisen. Oh no, it's not a gun. It's tinted glasses. Don't even know what is this. I guess it's Gojo's glass. Look, it's right there. You see it? And if you want to find it, you have a chance to find the gun or something else. So just use Gojo and go. Just use reverse red. And by the way, I'm in Shinjuku Station. This is where you find the gun and the nothing plus other things. This is what I just found, and I just found it when I was about to get killed, and I noticed there was a gun. So let me check other, because I'm just new in this game. Look at my kills. My kills are 9, by the way. If you want to add me, just search up Mastes underscore 2001. Pretty new skin, so I get I have Gojo. Okay, let me leave, guys, and let me try it again if I get the gun. I mean, there's really no chance, I think, and I just got it first try. Okay, I see. No, why is sweetener an eggnog? Yeah. Hope nobody sees me, just my viewers. Let me check again. What did I get? I think. Where's my thing right here? I guess I get nothing. Bro, what's that? I don't know why is there a bell here. Bro, it did nothing to the door. That's it. You better like and subscribe. And bye.